Good morning, everyone. This is Temple Thomas, and I wanted to give you a preview to the next major project in my shop. This wall you're looking at is the framing and insulation on an inner room that was built into the shop when I bought it. I decided to keep it. It's pretty handy for storage inside there, setting up some ventilation inside there with a little bit better temperature control so I can use that for stains and finishing and spraying, etc. This wall was covered with OSB sheathing and poorly at best. So what I'm going to do is take 3/4 inch plywood and make this a French cleat wall. So from the left to the right, it'll take exactly 6 full sheets plus an 18-inch piece, and on the 6 full sheets set vertically, I'm going to have French cleats along this entire wall. This wall will eventually be my primarily woodworking station with some additional tools on that side. Stay tuned for the next.